Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to showcase live, up-to-date data from a Google Sheet directly onto your website, you're in the perfect place. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a little square made up of 9 dots. That's Google's App Launcher. Go ahead and give that a click. All your favorite Google apps will pop up here, and for today's purpose, let's click on Google Sheets. If you already have a basic sheet ready with your data, awesome. If not, you can easily start a new one. Maybe just jot down some sample data so you have something to display. Now here's the important part: you'll need a website to actually display the data on. If you already have a website, feel free to use that. But if you don't worry, Google Sites has you covered. Just open a new tab and head over to site.google.com. Here you can create a totally free drag-and-drop website in minutes. It doesn't have to be fancy for this tutorial. Feel free to use a blank template to keep things simple. Once your site is ready, let's switch back to your Google Sheet. Time to make your spreadsheet shareable with the world, but in a safe, controlled way. At the top left of your Sheets page, find the File menu. Click it, then scroll down to Share and choose Publish to the web. Don't rush through this part. Google will ask how much of your data you want to share. In the pop-up that appears, click on the Embed tab, then in the drop-down menu, select Entire Document. Of course, if you only want to share a single sheet, you could choose that instead, but for most cases, the full document is what you're after. Hit that Publish button. If Google asks for a confirmation, just agree, and don't worry, you can always stop sharing later if you change your mind. Publishing makes your sheet visible, but only to the places you actually publish it. It won't automatically show up everywhere online. Now you're given an embed code. It might look a little strange, like a block of HTML, but all you need to do is highlight it and copy it. Think of this code like a window into your sheet. Wherever you put this code, your sheet will appear just like magic, and it'll update in real time as your data changes. Next, let's bring your sheet into your website. Head back over to your Google site. On the right-hand side, you'll spot an option labeled Embed. Click it and then choose Embed Code. Now you can simply paste in the code you got from Google Sheets. Just hit Insert and you'll see a live preview of your spreadsheet right on your page. You can drag it around, resize it, or place it wherever fits best with the rest of your content. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you made your data visible on the web, neat and accessible. This trick is fantastic for everything from class schedules, client dashboards, to team project boards. And remember, if you update your original Google Sheet, those changes will sync to your website automatically, so you'll never have to update things in two places. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.